Dr. Bert Caldwell explores manufacturing issues surrounding T4 products and the development of Tirosint, a new liquid gel cap formulation from Acramax Pharmaceuticals.
Welcome to Clinical Insights on Tirosint, a new liquid gel cap formulation of T4 and what it could mean for the treatment of hypothyroidism. In this first installment, I'd like to talk about the variabilities of traditional T4 tablets due to the manufacturing issues, purity of the products, and the loss of potency over time, and Tirosint, a new liquid gel cap. In the manufacture of tablets, for example, excessive heat and the physical stress of compaction can affect consistency from tablet to tablet. T4 also appears particularly vulnerable to the effects of inactive ingredients, or excipients, which are routinely found in these tablets. As early as 1996, a study in clinical endocrinology warned simple changes in the manufacture of T4 tablets may produce important variations in their bioavailability, which may have an adverse effect on the clinical control of patients, causing extra expense by the need for repeated patient visits and thyroid function tests. These variability and potency issues became so alarming that in 2005, the FDA held a public meeting with the leading endocrinology and thyroid associations. Some endocrinologists had expressed concern about performance of these products. This caused the FDA to request product stability data from the makers of all approved T4 sodium products manufactured between July 2003 and June 2005. The data was presented in 2006 at a joint FDA advisory committee meeting where the potency and stability of marketed T4 products were discussed. In 2007, the FDA announced a tightening of its specifications for all T4 sodium products to ensure that drug potency is retained over the entire shelf life. Despite the FDA's vigilance, however, uncertainty still persists about the potency among all T4 tablets. While generics present a viable alternative for cost containment, this alternative should never come at the cost of consistent and reliable control. In this category, physicians often demand branded products because of the consistency and reliability they have provided through the years. Tirosint, the first and only T4 therapy in liquid gel cap form, is unique. The active drug is dissolved in a liquid phase, providing batch-to-batch and inter-batch consistency. The manufacturing process avoids excessive heat, preventing degradation of the molecule by heat-related deactivation of T4. The gel cap itself is pure, containing only T4, water, glycerin, and gelatin. In addition, the gel cap shell protects T4 from degradation by light, air, humidity, and microcontaminants, assuring T4 stability and consistency. So to summarize, the advantages of Tirosint. It is a gel cap that protects T4 from light, air, humidity, and microcontaminations. It's a pure form of T4 therapy, free from additives such as gluten, lactose, and sucrose. It has an 18-month shelf life, and there's assurance of T4 stability and consistency over time. In our next installment, I will present some exciting findings from a recent in vitro study that examined the effect of gastric pH on the dissolution of Tirosint and what these findings could mean for the treatment of hypothyroidism.